How to change a Netflix account or profile to grown up. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can actually change a Netflix account to grown up, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Sometimes what happens on Netflix is that you might have opened a specific Netflix account here, and once you open up a Netflix account, you can see one of the profile is basically a kids profile, which means when you log in using this profile over here, you'll only be able to see all of the kids recommendations and so on, all the cartoonist thing and so on. Now maybe you might want to just convert this profile into a grown-up account, which means to normal account, right? Well, let me tell you that there isn't a direct way to do this, because once a profile has been set as a kids profile, you will not be able to simply change it to some other ones. However, there is a workaround that you can do. Now, one thing is that if this profile isn't that important to you, you can simply delete and create a new one. It's as simple as that. Netflix will let you add up to 5 profiles, and basically what you can do is you can simply log in any one of your accounts here. So let's say I just go ahead and open up the Netflix application. What you can do is you can delete a specific profile by just tapping the edit option from the top right hand side and tapping on that kids profile, selecting this option called delete profile, because once you delete that profile it will be gone for good. And after that you can just create a new profile here, but this time you don't want to turn on kid profile, because again this will make sure that you have a kid profile, so you don't want to turn that on. Just enter the name. But in another case scenario, let's say that inside of this profile you have many of the viewing activities and viewing restrictions, and all of your history is saved over there. You don't want to lose that. Well, there is also a way to do this. That is because you can transfer your profile history from one profile to another on Netflix recently. Open up netflix.com on your browser for this, then tap the 3 lines icon here, then just go to accounts. Then once you're on account, if you scroll down over here, you'll be able to see this option called turn on profile transfers. You'll be able to transfer the viewing activity from one profile to another. Once you transfer the viewing activity from the kids account to some other normal account that you create, you can just delete the kids account in that way. So that is the only workaround I can think of. Hopefully this video helped you understand the question. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.